Welcome back to Bike Rush, where legendary machines meet modern imagination. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Yamaha IT490, a bold revival concept inspired by Yamaha's iconic big-bore Enduro heritage. Built on the spirit of the original IT series, this modern interpretation aims to blend raw two-stroke attitude with contemporary engineering for serious off-road riders. The IT490 name carries weight. Known for brute torque, simplicity, and unstoppable trail presence, the classic IT models earned their reputation the hard way. The 2026 Yamaha IT490 takes that legacy and refines it for today's riders, preserving the soul of a big displacement enduro while modernizing reliability, handling, and rider ergonomics. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 IT490 is a high-performance 490 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, imagined as a modernized two-stroke with advanced fuel injection and updated porting. The focus is instant throttle response, massive low-end torque, and a thrilling top-end surge. Yamaha's modern engine management would aim to reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency without dulling the aggressive power delivery that defines the IT name. The 2026 IT490 is envisioned with a lightweight aluminum frame, designed to balance strength and flexibility for technical trails and high-speed desert runs. Geometry is tuned for stability at speed while remaining agile in tight sections. Reinforced subframe construction supports long-distance enduro riding and off-road touring setups. Long-travel suspension is a key highlight. Fully adjustable KYB front forks and a high-performance rear shock provide confidence over rocks, roots, and whoops. The suspension setup prioritizes plush initial travel with strong bottoming resistance, making the IT490 suitable for both aggressive riding and endurance-style adventures. Modern braking hardware brings the stopping power up to today's standards. Large disc brakes with advanced calipers deliver strong, predictable braking in all conditions. A lightweight wheel setup with off-road focused tires ensures excellent traction across sand, mud, and hard-packed trails. The 2026 Yamaha IT490 is designed for long days in the saddle. A slim seat profile, wide handlebars, and adjustable foot pegs create a commanding riding position. The bike feels tall and purposeful, offering excellent visibility and control whether standing or seated during technical climbs. While staying true to its old-school roots, the IT490 incorporates select modern tech. A compact digital display provides essential ride information, while advanced ignition mapping allows riders to tailor power delivery for different terrain. The approach is minimalistic, enhancing performance without overcomplicating the ride. This machine is built for riders who crave raw terrain. From rocky mountain trails to open desert tracks, the IT490 is imagined as a no-compromise off-road weapon. High ground clearance, durable skid protection, and aggressive gearing make it ready for extreme conditions straight from the garage. Visually, the 2026 IT490 pays homage to Yamaha's classic enduro look. Bold graphics, sharp lines, and purposeful bodywork give it a muscular stance. Modern LED lighting and updated materials blend nostalgia with a clean, contemporary finish. The 2026 Yamaha IT490 is aimed at experienced riders who appreciate power, simplicity, and mechanical character. It's not about chasing lap times, it's about conquering terrain, feeling connected to the machine, and enjoying a raw, engaging off-road experience. The 2026 Yamaha IT490 represents what many off-road enthusiasts dream of, a true big-bore enduro revival that respects its roots while embracing modern performance. If Yamaha were to bring the IT name back, this is the kind of machine that could redefine hardcore trail riding.